Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your pet photo into a Squid Game character. It's totally free, super easy, and it takes just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Dream Face app. If you don't have it yet, you can grab it from the Play Store. It's completely free to download. And once installed, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free package that will give you weekly credits and limited number of daily video generations. And I think that's more than enough for this fun project. Now from the main screen, just tap on AI filter and then scroll down until you find the sections called for pet, this one. And next just find ultimate winner filter, this one. Just tap on it. This filter will magically transform your pet into a Squid Game player like this. It's complete with the signature green tracksuit and background that just like in the series. And honestly, it's so cute and funny at the same time. So just choose the photo of your pet. Make sure it's a clear photo of your pet. The better the photo, good lighting, full face visible, the cooler the result will be. And once you have picked your photo, just hit animate. And here it is. It's super cute. The details are so fun. The tracksuit number and the Squid Game backdrop. It's so hilarious. Next, you can save the image and just share it right away with your friends. So that's how you can turn your pet into a Squid Game star for free using Dreamface. And okay, if you love this tutorial, just give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!